Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers cast iron skillet, updated. Preheat your cast iron on medium-high heat and pat patties dry for better sear. Season simply with salt and pepper just before cooking to avoid drawing moisture. Press gently but do not smash. Let the meat form a crust. Cook to your preferred temperature and rest patties briefly before serving to retain juices and flavor. Start by handling the meat gently and avoid overworking it, which keeps burgers tender. Make patties about 3–5 inches across and slightly thinner than you want cooked. Press a shallow indent in the center of each patty to reduce doming as they cook. Salt and pepper each side just before searing to create a flavorful crust without drawing out moisture. Let patties rest a few minutes after cooking before assembling. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking guides. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you flip burgers at home. It pairs surprisingly well with smoky kitchen vibes and makes errands more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Make sure your cast iron is properly heated until it shows a hint of smoke for optimal Maillard reaction and crust. Place patties gently and avoid pressing them while cooking, which squeezes out juices. Cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare to medium, adjusting time for thickness and preference. For cheese, add it in the final minute and cover the skillet briefly to melt it perfectly. Rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.